Okay, so we're going to do a new sketch again. Okay, we're going to click on the plane that we want to work on. We're going to go back to the sketch features. There are a variety of sketch features, but I'm just going to teach you a few new tools now. So we're going to start off with a rectangle, 25 by 25. We're going to go back to sketch. We're going to use a circle, okay, and then we're going to interconnect these. So as you can see, we've got a square and a circle, okay, but the lines cross over. So we can actually delete these lines, okay, so we've actually only got one profile outline shape. So if we go down to sketch again, then we go to trim, okay. So trim will in between where one line meets another line, okay, and therefore it gives us a nice equal shaped profile. Okay, now I'm going to use a different tool, but I'm going to use it to take some of the middle out here, okay? Because you don't have to make something 3D and then get rid of the middle. You can actually just draw the profile shape as you want it, okay? So I will use the standard line tool here, okay? And we'll just create some random shapes on here. So if you keep just clicking, it does straight lines. But then if we actually click and then grab, as you can see, it's starting to do more of a curved line. So all I'm doing is clicking and holding down the mouse. Okay, I'm not taking the mouse off, I'm holding down the mouse, okay, to actually produce these shapes. Okay, and then if I just don't hold down the mouse, it then goes back to the standard line tool. Okay, let's finish this off there. Okay, so we've got one little shape there, and then just to use another tool, just to try and experience you guys using another tool, we'll use the spline tool. The spline tool can give us continuous curved lines. So the first one might look straight, but as soon as I click it and do the next one, it's more of an organic line, okay? It naturally sees the progression of this line, okay, how it actually flows. The more I bend it, okay, the next line then will be a lot more organic, and it'll flow. As you can see, it flows and it alters the shape of it a little bit as well. So I'm actually going to interconnect it here, okay? I'm going to say that's cool for that one. But I also want to put an interconnection from here, into here. Okay, and then I click the tick there, and that can complete the spline for us. Now I need to go back to the trim, okay? So I can actually just get rid of this middle bit, get rid of this, get rid of this, and let's get rid of the inside of this here. Okay, so now I've got like a continuous profile shape. I need to have a continuous profile if I'm going to do the extrude feature. So on here now, I can click this, and I can move this upwards. Okay, say 5 millimeters, let's leave it as that. And if I click OK, you see that the middle bit is automatically being cut out because it is a continuous profile. Okay, so there we have some random little shape. Using the intersect and the trim feature, and also doing the internal intersection using the rectangle, the circle, and also the spline tool.